Hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, plural of ℏ. Hydrocarbons, it is organic chemical compound in which hydrocarbons, hydrogen and carbon atoms are formed due to they come from the composition and transformation of the rest of animals and plants. That is with its inorganic it can come in liquid, petroleum, and gaseous natural gas. It was with future examples, medicine, textile, plastic, paints, hydrocarbons, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, ethane, heptane, octane, noctane, decane. Alkanes, and they are those that have the simplest is composed of the carbon and hydrogen atoms. Alkenes, they are the house with double bonds that run its simplest just most stars with it is made of the largest carbon chain. That atom contains with most follow an order in which the double bond is found, depending of which it is double bond with starting counting. Example point A. There is no double bond that is closest root at point B. If it is from the set point is word B1 and the ultimate point A and alkynes. The hardest of stars have a triple bond between two carbon atoms. Let's start with exercise. And with the can start and where this is of cycle structure offset the word cycle. Cycle there are 6 carbon atoms and it will be and carried X. And since there is double bond and goes in. Podría empezar por aquí. 1, 2, 3, and 3. Era mío, perdón. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 𝐶𝐶 Ángel.
Yeah, so right now we have this other graphic this graphic, and we're going to see how it functions. The first thing that we are going to notice is where is the double bond. So we gotta start from there. Right now I'm going to start, and first is right here. This is the number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So we're going to see that it starts in number 1 and it ends on number 2. So it will be the ethyl, thanks to this part, and cyclopentane, thanks that it has 5 carbons and hydrocarbons, and it is composed principally by that. And cyclo, thanks to the shape of the the figure.
Continue.
So in the next one, we have here that is a square shape, and we can say that we can start in any place that we like. So for example, I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right here, we can see that the double bond starts in 1 and in 3. So what we got, here. 3 is right, is here. We're going to see that it has these parts. So it will be 1 and 3. 𝐶𝐲𝐝𝐵𝐴DINE. The build is thanks to the termination of the shape that it has 4 carbon hydrocarbons. And the cyclo is thanks to all the carbons are connected.
And continues is Israel.
So we start here. Then we pass it here, 22. So it will be
So what we got here.
Yes, la parte de aquí. And say the innermost and be divided into two parts. On the whole hand, there are 3 hydrogen and carbon. 1, 2. Enlaces, 1, 2. Y propane. Propane NH must have hydrogen and carbon waste will propane divided in counterparts. And three hydrogen, one carbon and two hydrogen, and three hydrogen, one carbon, one, and three, 1, 2, 3, and continues Angel.
So right here in butane, we got that it have 4 carbon molecules. So right now we are going to count it, and it depends based on the shapes and the points. It's going to be the total of the carbons. So right now we are going to do this, and there we have. So we can count right now. It will be 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah, continues. Let's practice. Voy a borrar esto. Y bueno, and let's practice. Let's the double bond is of the second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, and 2. There are rivers for which it will be paint. And in synthesis, it doubles it will have the ion. And 2 and contain. Listo, continues.
Okay.
Recién me conecté, el internet se me salió.
¿Puedes continuar?
No, la verdad que
So right now what we have here is that we got a double bond right here, and it will be like this. Start here. So right here we got the first part, and we notice that in the first line it starts right here, that it have the double bond. If it has more, we gotta see where it is less space from the beginning of the double bond, and that's the right side. So right here we got that it will be like this. We have here the double bond, and at the end it will be right here, and there we have the other double bond, and that is.
And continues Israel. Israel. Creo que se les en internet. Ángel, ¿podrías?
Sí. So in the second part, we got that it at the end, the double bond. So we are going to count that like this is the first and this is the end. So it will be like this. Yeah. And right now that we know that, we can start counting. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And right now, the double bond is at the beginning, so it will be like this. And there we have the graphic. So right now we can count that this is the first, the second, the third, and the fourth.